This is Lord Attenborough, this is Charlie Buss, and we've got Eden up the back. So as they come around, they are absolutely flying, trying to catch up with second place. They're going to make up 3 seconds. As they work their way around, Eden gets a bit sketchy up the back. Eden is a downhill, out in the champion. And he's very focused. Charlie's looking focused as well, to the right hand it down.
Go guys!
This is where they can make up the ground with a very nice turn. And I can see Eden giving another push on, signaling once more, going through the crossover. Oh, very nicely done. Good balance there, Eden. Right up through GC horse boxes into Charlie's. Push on now, Charlie. This is where you can make up the ground. Charlie comes flying through. This is Atlas. He is an extra national horse, so he's used to these big, long, rangy courses. Turning left-handed as they come around into Pioneers into the orange.
Come on, push, push! Faster! Yes!
He's missed again. He's missed again. So that's the end of that for his run. But they're going to keep going, are they? Yes, they are. They're going to keep on showing us an exhibition run. Let's see what sort of time they can put in as they come around through Charlie. They're pushing on now. Charlie, let's see what you got. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Madates! And they finish in a time of 83.
Didn't release!
Way.
Didn't release!
What's that, man? I was about to jump over the fence and then he was just like...
Aiden, how's that?